Yo, man, with all the new music coming out, I feel it's my duty as an OG to put y'all youngins on to some original. And I mean taking it back to the originator, you heard? Hold on. Y'all youngins don't know nothing about this. Y'all youngins don't know nothing about this, B. The Dream, Yamaha.
You know what you're doing.
Get your name, little mama.
Well, I don't know
Your name, little mama.
Well, I don't know.
Woo! This is a classic, man. Oh, Yamaha.
The king.
I know your name, little mama.
Let me talk to you.
Oh, Yamaha. Baby, you wouldn't last a day in your world. Baby, I'm gonna be your man. You should be my girl. Baby, ooh, I wanna be your all you ever talk about. Baby, and if you let me in your body, I'ma turn that motherfucker out, baby. Don't let me watch if I can ride it tonight and get your name, little mama. But I decided every time I mention you, I say Yamaha, Yamaha, oh Yamaha, oh Yamaha, Yamaha, oh Yamaha. Don't need a key, I'll be a perfect passenger. Don't throw him the key, cause all he'll do is gas you up. Let me freak you on the freeway. I'ma push to the max. Police haters, why? Cause they never seen a girl with an ass so fat. Baby, don't make me watch if I can ride it tonight and get your name, little mama. But I decided every time they mention you, I say Yamaha, Yamaha, oh Yamaha, 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 oh Yamaha.
Every time I mention you,
I say Yamaha, Yamaha, oh Yamaha,
there's nothing like it.
Yamaha, Yamaha, oh my Yamaha. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, I'm so fat. Oh baby, oh baby, seen a girl with an ass so fat. Been all around the world, a lot of pretty girls. This one is for you, wherever you at. Still got your name tattooed on my back. Oh man, yo, this is a classic, alright, youngins? Y'all know nothing about that with all that shit coming out right now. Yo, The Dream is forever a legend, B. Alright, go listen to his discography. This is where your favorites get their inspirations from, you heard? And as far as Yamaha, shout out to all my Yamahas back in the day, man. The song describes itself like, there's always that baddie with the fatty, you know what I mean? And you don't know her name. So I was like, yo, how could I tell the homies if I don't know her name? And when I would say Yamaha, they automatically got it. You know what I'm saying? They automatically got the picture. It painted a clear picture. Look at that sunrise, yo. It's so gorgeous. Nobody's awake yet, mama? Huh? All right, do you want to go on a walk? Come on. Come on. Let's go. like go and chase him back and everything. Yeah. Look at that. Okay. Which is weird. I'm like, you can run all you want, especially if there's like not too many other dogs.
So
Watching your brother tell stories. Just pulled up to ASU to take a COVID test. You know, wifey and I constantly exposed based on our profession. So to do the responsible thing, not that it's gonna make a difference because we like triple vaxxed and whatnot, but at this point it's like whatever. And constantly little man's classmates are catching it, so just to keep everybody safe, we just want to make sure that we good, he's good, and we can just continue living our lives because welcome to the new normal, right? Want me to open this one? Want me to open this one? Okay. All right, y'all. So we're gonna start the cooking process of the oxtail right now. Starting a little bit earlier because it's MLK Day. We have the kids at home, so I figured that one, it's going to be a longer cooking process because I don't want it, you know, that fall off the bone, and I don't want to be, you know what I mean, back and forth tending to the kids and whatnot. So we're going to cook it now, and then when it gets closer to dinner time, actually we're going to keep it warm so that when it's closer to dinner time, we just able to eat and it's not scorching. So let's just get right into it. Heating up some water right now, and let's just get into it. All right, enough waiting. Look at that, so good. All right, so right now we got it stewing for an hour. Then we're going to, my bad. Then we're going to stir it, let it stew again, and then we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients and let that sort of stew and marinate again. It's all about the stewing, taking your time, being patient. Man, I'm salivating. It ain't even ready yet. Anyway, oh man, I can't wait for us to dig into that. But yeah, going to make some white rice. Hence why we picked up the rice cooker the other day. Our last one was broken. And yeah, man, just being patient, letting it stew, letting it marinate, and mwah. Yo, Brooklyn, you tripping today? What's going on? Anyway, let's answer these emails while we wait. So we just added the rest of the veggies. Got to add some tomatoes. Let's do that. Some nice tomatoes in that mug. Just a little bit. And we got to add some more of that oxtail seasoning that, you know, just for that extra kick. Let me work on that. Hold on. All right, y'all. So, secret weapon time. Can't find any Scotch bonnet anywhere, so we use the Scotch bonnet sauce. And this just adds that extra kick to it. So, we're going to add that on real quick. Not too much. You know what I'm saying? And let's stir that thing. Stir it all up. And we're gonna just cover it up again and wait for the veggies to sort of cook through. We got the rice on the rice cooker. So hang tight, you know what I mean? It's almost done, we're almost there. We're almost there. Damn, that looks so good. Smells so good too. All right, y'all, rice almost done. Let's take a look here. Ooh-wee. It's pretty much ready. I'm gonna take it off the fire. And there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So yummy. That's it. Yo, when I tell y'all that this is bomb, like, we saved y'all a plate. Y'all just gonna have to come and get it in like 72 hours before it's all gone or something, you know what I mean? But damn!